until 5:15 p.m. At 4:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sycamore, moving southeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Montgomery, Elburn, North Aurora, Geneva, Big Rock, Caneville, Wayne, Aurora, Batavia, St. Charles, Hinkley, Sugar Grove, Waterman, Maple Park, Camden Hills, Dekalb, and West Chicago. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The severe thunderstorm warning for